Sarah, do you have your original sound on?
I do.
Okay.
It might not be perfect to like pick up gargling.
What's
It
perfect?
might not be optimized for gargling.
Use Zoom mode.
Am I doing this? Is it happening?
Yeah.
Michael, Vilne, Yiddish lit
Really, Sarah was doing this and I interrupted her, so give Sarah the credit for this one.
A true Michael McDonald performance.
It's a night of surprises.
Craig is asleep.
I don't know if this was really one of my favorite songs.
No, that's all.
Hold on.
You got this, Dad?
Here we go.
Craig is asleep. Craig is asleep.